Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Finances plugin on Bitnami Redmine virtual image. So in my case I'm going to use the VirtualBox. However, you're free to use any other virtualization software that you like. Alright, so in our case we have Bitnami Redmine 5.1 that is currently the latest stable Redmine version, so we started. Okay, so we wait a little bit for the system to start. Okay, so we are now in. Sorry. So we log in via these credentials: user Bitnami and password Bitnami. And we see that it is stated here the IP address of the Redmine that we currently have. Actually, sorry about that. Actually, it could be some different address, so if you would like to double check this situation, you can use the command hostname I. However, it is confirmed in our case that this is the address. So we go to this address just to check what is happening there. So we started the address and just wait a couple of seconds, because Redmine needs some time to start. Okay, so it could be probably 30 seconds. Okay, so we are now in. So we sign in into our Redmine. We have this user and password that are currently checked into this row here. So the username is user and the password is this one. So of course you can change it anytime, but for our testing purposes I have just left the default password and username. Alright, so I log in and now go to administration, then information. Here we see that we got the Redmine 5.1 stable, okay, and we have a couple of plugins already installed, and at the end of this video we are going to have the Finances plugin installed here. And I would like to say that for the Finances plugin, the Redmine Contacts plugin is needed to be able to work. However, the free light version of the Contacts plugin is enough for these purposes, so you can go anytime on our site and download and install it via the same steps. So we have to select product here and then CRM plugin. CRM or Contacts, it is the same thing. So when you click on download, there are paid license versions here. However, you can download the light free version and use it for the Finances plugin to be able to work. Okay, so let's go back to our command line. Now we change our directory to opt Bitnami Redmine plugins and just list to see what is happening here. We have the plugins that are installed. Now I'm going to install, to download the Finances plugin. I'm going to use the wget method. So I'm going to paste the link of the plugin file itself and then just download it here. But you can use other ways. For example, you can go to machine here, settings, then file manager, and on the left we are logging into our host. This is the computer, and on the right you can log in with your credentials here for the guest machine, or this is the virtual machine, the Bitnami Redmine. So when you log in here, you can just copy paste the file by these arrows here. So this is another method of transferring the file. Also, you are free to use any other method for file sharing that you like, but in my case I'm going to use the wget. Alright, so I just got the link and here it is. wget and the link that is pointing to the Redmine Finance's latest 219 Pro version, latest one. So I click enter and the plugin is successfully downloaded. So I could just double check, and here it is. This is our plugin here. So I unzip it via the unzip command. Okay, and now just remove the archive because I have no longer needing it. Now when I list, I see that the Finances plugin is here. Okay, so I run to the previous folder now, previous directory, and run the command bundle install. This is going to install all the needed gems for this plugin to be able to work. Okay, and the next step is the migration. So it is done via the bundle.exec rake. Okay, Redmine plugins, name that in our case is Redmine Finance. Alright, and Rails, and this is the production, this is the environment, sorry, which in our case is production, and just click enter. Now we wait to see the migrations. Alright, so these rows here are showing us that the migrations are successfully done into the database. So we are done successfully with this step, and the last step is actually a very important one and could not be missed. So this is restarting the system. It is via sudo op bitnami control script restart. Okay, so the system is restarted. And just to say that, of course, you can restart it in another way. For example, you can just close your virtual machine, so it is going to be powered off, and then you can power on, and it is also a restart, so it will also work for you. However, with this command, it is going to be faster, so it is just restarting the services. Okay, so we'll return back to our browser and just refresh our Redmine to see if we have done our job successfully. So again, we wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to start again. Probably, I don't know, maybe 20 or 30 seconds, which is faster now. So yeah, it is the page now reloaded, and we have Finances plugin here available. So we have successfully installed Finances plugin on Bitnami Redmine Virtual Image 511 stable. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.